I am Dr. Harish Chandra Sadekar, participant second FDP MOOCs program conducted by Ramanujan College, New Delhi. This is my image slideshow video. In this video, I would like to explain thin film deposition by chemical bath deposition method. Content of my presentation: introduction, thin film deposition method, chemical bath deposition, characterization techniques, tools used for analysis, zinc sulfide thin film deposition, conclusion. Introduction: thin film preparation is the way to prepare nanoparticles. If material goes into nanoparticle, all physical, chemical, electrical and magnetic properties changes drastically. Thin films are useful to fabricate thin film solar cells, photochemical solar cells, photodetectors, gas sensors, solar selective coating, IR detectors, temperature controllers, wavelength filters, reflectors and non-reflectors, etc. ICs, microelectronic devices are fabricated using thin films. Surface to volume ratio in case of thin film is large, therefore surface becomes more active, low material consumption. Thin film preparation methods. There are different types of thin film deposition techniques. Number one, physical method. Number two, chemical method. In physical method again, there are two methods. Number one, vacuum evaporation. Number two, sputtering. In vacuum evaporation, resistive heating, RF heating, arc, flash, electron beam, laser beam, etc. In case of sputtering, glow, discharge DC, AC, radio frequency, ion beam, magnetron, ether, triode, phase, target, etc. In case of chemical, number one, gas phase. In gas phase, chemical vapor deposition, that is called CVD, photo CVD, metal organo CVD, plasma enhanced CVD, laser CVD. In case of liquid phase, there is a chemical bath deposition, Cellar electro deposition, anodization, screen printing, electrolyte deposition, source gel, liquid phase, epitaxy, etc. In a liquid phase, our interest is chemical bath deposition technique. The chemical bath deposition is a low cost. Deposition is possible in UG or PG lab, easy to handle, low temperature, no vacuum is required, no corrosion of the substrate, so any substrate can be used. Large area deposition is possible. Apparatus requirement in chemical bath deposition are constant temperature bath, pH meter, magnetic stirrer, microbalance, glasswares, substrates. Substrate may be conducting or non-conducting or semi-conducting. Steps involved in CBD: make precursor solutions, add them with some complexing agent by stirring in beaker, measure pH, adjust pH by adding pH adjuster solution like ammonia or NaOH, etc. Insert substrate into beaker vertically. Keep this beaker into constant temperature bath for some time interval at constant temperature. Optimize all parameters like pH, bath temperature, molar concentration, bath time by keeping some constants and also by trial and error method to obtain good quality film on the substrate. This is my setup in my laboratory. Theoretical background of chemical bath deposition. The concentration of solubility and ionic products are important. Two soluble salts may be placed in water using law of mass action, that is K is equal to Ca plus and Cb minus divided by Cab, where Ca plus is ion concentration of salt A, Cb minus is ion concentration of salt P, and Cab is concentration of Eb solid in solution. K dash is constant. Let us therefore K dash is equal to Ca plus into Cb minus, where Kk dash is solubility product, Ca minus into Cb minus is ionic product. To form a thin film by using chemical bath deposition, the nucleation on the substrate takes place if ionic product, that is Ca plus into Cb minus, is greater than the solubility product, that is K into K dash, which depends on bath temperature, bath pH, time and solvent concentration. Let us consider one example of preparation of thin film, that is zinc sulfide thin film deposition. The precursors used are for zinc sulfate 0.25 micromolar 10 ml solution is taken. For S thiourea 0.25 molar 10 ml is taken. Complexing agent T 10 drop are used. pH adjuster NaOH 4 molar concentration is used. Optimized parameters of my thin film. pH is equal to 30, bath temperature is equal to 80 degrees Celsius, time 4 hours. Concentrations of solutions are mentioned above. Conclusion: thin film deposition by CBD is possible in UG lab. CBD is economical and does not require any expensive and sophisticated instruments. ZNS thin film successfully deposited on glass substrate by using CBD. This is my presentation. This presentation is useful to new researchers in UG or PG labs in college level. Okay, thank you.